In primetime news this evening, death toll from Hurricane Melissa now at 32.
Opposition calls for partnership with the government to respond to affected areas.
And thousands of Jamaicans remain marooned nearly a week after Melissa hit the country. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious Archie. We are now also on YouTube, so a special welcome to our viewers watching on YouTube on our Television Jamaica YouTube page. Now, with a preview of what's to come in the business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Thank you, Janella. Well, concerns have been growing about the access to cash and other banking services in areas hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa. The Bank of Jamaica and the Jamaica Bankers Association say they're working closely to resolve the issue. The details later on in the business day.
And there's also sports, there is weather, there's sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we are asking what measures should be implemented to ensure relief gets to people affected by Hurricane Melissa.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. The Primetime News returns after this break.